Today we're going to look at how to search, sort, and save journal articles using the Academic Search Complete database. The first thing you want to do is put your keywords in the blanks at the top to begin your search. After that, click the search button and look down the list to see if your results are on target. If they're not, click the relevance button, and that will separate out the things that are closer to your target from the ones that are further away, bringing your results to the top of the list. Next, look on the left-hand side and refine your results. The first thing you want to do is click Peer Reviewed. This will give you the highest quality information from the journal articles. You are also suggested to adjust the date range. Usually, research is best within 5 to 10 years. Further down, you'll see the source type. Click Academic Journals here. Check to see where your keywords pop up. When you find one that seems to be on your topic and you see your keywords appearing in the title and also the subjects down below, scan under that and see if there is a PDF available. If there is, click on the link, go down and read the abstract. Up on the left you'll see PDF full text. Click the PDF full text and the article should appear in the viewer. Go ahead and download it and save it to your desktop. Also on the right hand side there is a small yellow piece of paper. When you hover over it, it should say citations, and if you click it, it will give you citations in a number of styles. In this case, I'm going to copy the APA style. Copy and paste this into a reference page on your desktop and return back to your result list to find more articles.